Good day, everyone. Today, we are going to talk about something that affects us all. Whether you're a student, a parent, or a professional, or just someone who enjoys browsing the internet. Our topic is protecting personal information online. In a world where we share, post, and connect with just a few taps on a screen, it's easy to forget that the internet is a public space. And just like in real life, there are risks, especially when it comes to our personal information. But don't worry, by the end of this talk, you'll know how to protect yourself and stay safe online.
Let's begin by asking a simple question. What is personal information? Personal information is any details that identify you. This includes your full name, home address, phone number, email address, and etc. Some of these may seem harmless to share, but when you put together, they can be used to steal your identity, access your account, or harm your reputation.
Be careful what you share. Think twice before posting personal stuff online. Once it's out there, it's hard to take it.
Use strong passwords. Make sure your passwords are hard to guess. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Don't use the same password for everything. Use two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security. You'll need a code sent to your phone or email in addition to your password.
So why should we protect this information? Because not everyone online is who they say they are. There are hackers, scammers, identity thieves, and even people who just want to cause him harm or embarrassment. Remember, what you post online can stay there forever, even if you delete it.
Lastly, don't keep this information to yourself. Help protect others, especially young kids and other adults who may not be as tech-savvy. Talk to your siblings, classmates, or even your parents about online safety. You never know whose privacy you might help protect.